Would you like to communicate with the universal law of attraction to get what you want quicker, faster, and easier than you ever thought possible? Well, you need to learn just a couple affirmations that are going to help you communicate with the universal law of attraction easier, quicker, and more powerfully than ever before. I want to share them very quickly with you. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into them. Number one, I intend to feel good. The universe is a medium of intention. By that it means you or I make an intention for our life. Now, most people make unconscious intentions. The world's getting worse every day, and I couldn't possibly make more money, and she'll never say yes to me if I ask her out, so I'm not even gonna try, and you don't understand where I'm coming. That's an intention to feel bad. It's an intention for lack of prosperity, lack of health, lack of happiness, lack of good relationships, and quality stimulating experiences of life. Most of us think about this. Most of us make unconscious intentions that create negativity in our life. We rationalize it. We say, I'm just being realistic. You need to be realistic from time to time. Look at my bank account. Look at my furrows of worry. Look at the economy. And look, nobody said yes to me on a date yet. You don't understand. When we let our eyes dictate what we think, what's happening is we're allowing the outside world to control our thought process. When the outside world controls your thought process, what happens is you recreate the same negativity that you actually don't want. And so my invitation to you is this phrase. Say it with me right now. Say it with me out loud. And if you're around other people and you're afraid of them thinking you're weird, say it to yourself right now. Lip it. I intend to feel good. We live in a world of free will. You and I have the actual choice to build a prosperous, healthy, happy life or not. Now, we can choose not to do it to hopefully grow and learn as a soul and eventually come to this realization that we create our own reality, our thoughts create it, and then we start to create more of what we want, but we went through the pain to help us grow. But it's important to know that this is a world of free will. We're spiritual beings in a physical body. We use free will in order to evolve and experience life. Well, the medium, the way that we express our free will is through intention. Now, you can make a conscious intention for what you want. Think about that. How good does that feel? I intend to feel good. I intend to feel good. And then just think about it. I intend to feel good. How does your body feel after? It feels great. It focuses your thoughts on prosperity. It drops the negativity. The first way to connect with the universe is this phrase, I intend to feel good. And if it is crazy to you, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com down below, so you can start to train your mind for success, for abundance, for prosperity, so the phrase I intend to feel good doesn't even feel weird. Comment it down below. I intend to feel good. Let's create a ripple chain through the internet of positivity. Number two, this or something better. Now, you're going to use this in your own way, but for instance, let's say you wanted to attract a certain person in your life, or you wanted to attract a certain business opportunity. Well, what happens with most people? We mentally attach to what we want. So, I need this certain person, and it moves from a place of creation to a place of, I really need this thing in my life. Now, need is an energy of lack and scarcity. So what happens is, we immediately move into an energy of scarcity when we were originally in a place of attraction, where we were like, I really want this business opportunity. I really want this friendship with this certain person. And at first, we're expressing our free will and embracing our desires, but then it moves to a place of need where we feel we need this thing in order to get what we want and be happy in life. Now, the law of attraction is a secondary law to the law of vibration. And the law of vibration says that every single thing has an energy signature, an energy frequency. Everything is vibration. Now, what's the vibration of, I really need that thing. If I don't get this thing, the law of attraction doesn't work and I quit if I don't get this. It's an energy of lack. And so the law of attraction delivers that lack even though we don't really want it. we're sending out the frequency of it, because the law of attraction is unemotional. It doesn't respond to whether you meant to do something or not. It just responds to the signal you're putting out. And so it might be, I intend to attract this person or something better. I intend to manifest $100,000 or more, something better. I intend to manifest this amazing opportunity or something better. Now, what you're doing is you're leaving space to co-create with the universe. Most people get in this state of mind where their ego is there, where they edge God out. EGO is edging God out. We edge the universe out, and we're like, I need this thing. I'm gonna work as hard as I can to get it, and it's only this thing. But what's happened is we moved from a place of creation to a limited aspect of physical form, where we're relying on our ego and the physical world to create what we want. This or something better allows the universe, God, spirit, creation to work with us. We're co-creating with the universe to bring about amazing magic, miracles, the joy that you desire in your life, and to inspire other people, most importantly. So start using the phrase this or something better when it comes to what you intend to manifest in your life. Number 3, all is well. All is well. Just say it with me. Just feel what I'm saying. All is well. What happens is we argue with reality. And when you argue with reality, you get burned how many times? 100% of the time. If you argue with reality and you think that things aren't well, you can fall into the error of thinking that spirit doesn't manifest itself perfectly. Spirit always manifests itself perfectly. Now what happens is we get in this place where we're like, well, I should have a better job now. I should be making more money by now. I should have met my soulmate by now. I should be in better health by now. The day should have went different than it did. And what happens is we're arguing with reality, and what happens? We create resistance. When you create resistance, it's impossible to feel peace, joy, and attract what you want in your life, because you're arguing with what is. When we recognize and we embrace this truth that spirit doesn't ever manifest itself other than perfectly. It always manifests perfectly. And when we grasp that, we can understand that the challenge that you might be going through, whether it's a financial challenge or a relationship challenge or a health challenge, it's there to teach us a lesson. And then the question is, with the challenge, who is this challenge asking me to become? Who is this challenge trying to inspire me to grow into? What type of person is this trying to shape me? Because challenges aren't here to kill us, they're here to transform us. When we transform, we move into a higher place of creation where we recognize, oh, that challenge was perfect. Spirit always manifests perfectly. And we recognize that truly all is well. Truly all is well. All is well. Right now in this moment, your life is as it's supposed to be. And from this place of abundance, from this place of acceptance, from there, we can create the world in a different way, in a new way, in a better way, but we're coming from a place of inspiration and wholeness rather than lack and arguing with reality. So say it with me. All is well. Comment it down below. All is well. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, talking about 3 affirmations that will help you communicate with the universal law of attraction more easily and effectively to attract what you want. Download my free success hypnosis to train your subconscious mind. I'm so excited because we got the Second Mind Neuro Programmer done. Now you might wonder what that is. It's a piece of software that I created with my team for many months to answer the questions, why is it hard to change bad beliefs, change thought patterns, to change the circumstances in our life? It's because the brain wires towards the past. So your brain might be wired for lack of prosperity, lack of abundance, lack of health, lack of happiness. Unless we can change the way the brain is wired by re-engaging different brain cells, it's almost impossible to change the circumstances of your life. So we created the Second Mind Neuro Programmer. You can demo it for free down below. It's thesecondmind.com, thesecondmind.com. So press the subscribe button, press that, then you're gonna see the bell notification, and make sure you hit that because that's what actually notifies you for a new video. I'm wishing you an amazing day. Let me know where in the world you're coming from and which of these 3 affirmations speaks to you most. Thank you for watching this video. I'm wishing you an amazing day, sending you all my positive vibes, and I'll see you next time.